Hello. I took a piece of the last vlog I made with Coda's snow day, a little out of it, because I wanted to show you guys something different. I shot using my iPhone, and then I shot using a camcorder, a Sony camcorder, and you will see the clear difference between the two. I just wanted to show you the difference in quality between the camcorders, because the camcorder is a 4K, but it's older. But this is the iPhone 12. And honestly, people just use their iPhones now. And I want to show you that you don't need a full-on $2,000 camera just to vlog if you wanted to. I mean, this is the iPhone 12 Pro, and this is a Sony camcorder. And you will be able to tell the difference between the two audio interfaces. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get in the video.
You left your phone in the car?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Bud. Hello there, bud.
See what it looks like outside. Beautiful.
Oh, there's tracks. Oh, where do these tracks lead? Right to this schmuck. That guy's cool, like real cool. Oh, do that again?
Roads may be icy.
Does it say that on there?
Shit. Yeah.
Wait, where does it say that?
It says when you first turn it on.
Damn it. Oh yeah, hear the roar of the engine. Damn. Oh yeah. M was here. Alright, we're gonna leave that handprint on there. That singular handprint, alright? Right under it. There you go. Yo, this is straight up ice. It's not even road yet. This is gonna be fun. Oh yeah. So Samoan. So lost. Samoan! Oh, Pat, look at the dog has a sweater. Oh, good morning, bud. Oh yeah. Clean it out. Right there, bud. Mint. Is Mother Nature just fucking nerd.
How many cars have you totaled, sir? An iPhone inside my car? No. Just if you file an insurance claim. It counts.
I don't think he's ever filed an insurance claim.
I have insurance.
No, I don't think you've ever had insurance.
New game. While we wait for El Subaru to wait.
What's the game, gentlemen?
Really, this thing's turning into an ice ball. It's supposed to. Basket. What? No. Damn.
Damn.
Nice
How do you?
print you got there, bud?
Did you just?
That is. Did I what?
Wipe my handprint away. First one to make it buys.
Ah.
You're buying.
Just disappeared. Wait, did you say first one to make it buys?
Yeah. You made it as I said.
I would have fucking been like.
Yeah, the poor dog.
You got shit on, bro.
No, not upstairs. The blow up one over here
Oh,
from Christmas. It's just. He's suffered.
Looks kind of cold.
Hashtag below 8.
Waiting for him to slip.
I want him to slip so badly. That's right, Pat. Save him. Revive him. Give him mouth to mouth. Oh wait, that's...
The air has to reinflate.
Maybe it's just frozen. I don't know. Coda! Buddy!
I'm gonna grab him.
Pat looking him in the window.
You coming with us? Yeah, I want to see what he does if we're gone for like 10 minutes.
But what if we get stuck in a rock on for 10 minutes?
We're not.
I know we won't. Still. No.
Yeah, what? You gotta figure out how the dog works, you know. What the fuck? Is this all coming from that little tree?
Maybe?
No.
Jesus Christ. Maybe.
Alright, Pat, wanna try pulling her out? Patrick.
One of the salespeople texted me and say, hey, it might be a dumb question, but when am I getting my bonus? And I'm like, I haven't processed it yet. Well, you would have gotten it this paycheck, but I didn't process it.
Have you processed your bonus?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I thought that'd be fun. John, be prepared to push from behind. Hey Pat, when do you own Yeezys?
Like 2 weeks.
Alright, well I'm gonna move your well-folded clothes and your overpriced shoes.
Ice. Igloo, and ice.
Not going.
Your New Year's resolution is to get in shape because I know I'm sticking with that too.
My Civic would not have made it this far. Literally would have been stuck.
That would have been fun though.
See, like this guy's struggling.
I love how you I love how you called us to come help, and then as we're headed down, you're like, I got it, boys.
Yeah, I almost fucking overheated my motor.
Slowly fucking going up the hill. Oh, this is stupid driver. Bro, that sucks.
Oh.
Bro, in Alaska, what was the worst? Was, you know how there's this big ass pool right here? All the time? That would just be covered in snow. So it would be like slushy snow. And if a car went through it, it's just ice. It absolutely is. Oh my god. Shut up.
Okay. Dumbass, you see him though. Look, I was there for like fucking 5 minutes. Like, what do you want him to do?
Yo, imagine trying to pull that guy over.
Nice truck though. Oh yeah. Right there.
Yeah, because my Civic was on this side, the Mini's on this side, this one's on that side. Always fucks with me.
I did not bring my mask. It's okay, I'm gonna chill in here.
I never wear my mask.
I got you.
Mine.
I came prepared.
Oh my, why you have why these? No, I said why these? Damn, Pat, look at that Subaru looking mean in the sun. Oh, my bad, I forget. You're more important, my bad. I forget, my bad. Fuck you.
It's a new jacket.
I'm a little scared of what he'll do to me while I'm sleeping.
What I did care is that you knew I was getting in the fucking car.
Save it. Michael, I hate you. Full tank of gas.
else got a beverage? Like a hot drink?
Parking lot drift, boys.
I'm heavily fighting the urge to go into elementary school parking lot.
Come on, USPS, you can do it.
Damn, what's that like?
Yeah, boys. Lily comes back tomorrow. You guys going on the hill?
Oh yeah, full throttle, Pat. Hit it.
Charlie goes down.
Damn, look at the snow blowing off the fucking tree. Oh, it is up there. Cautious.
Someone on the actual roof? Wait, is that the wind or the actual roof?
I've already lost one then, boys. I ain't losing another one. Not on my watch.
All you hear is,
Damn it!
alright, it's a real test. Packing that ass in, bro.
Yeah. I think she'll be okay. Slams right to the fucking bend.
All you do is just front end.
Wait, you want me to get out? Yeah, back in on the ice, Pat. Do it. Oh my god. Yeah, your car's got surprisingly good grip.
It's literally probably the best sedan you can get for the snow. And it's not an STI, so it won't blow up.
Is that a shot at Brandon?
It's a shot at every STI on it. It's the best around. Good job, bud.
Thought we were gonna cut to you doing donuts in the parking lot, but never mind.
Oh yeah, boys.